Now, does everyone understand?
Yes, Tommy.
Good. Sky, do you have a question?
Yes. If girls are in the class, then why is the school called Ant-Man Training School? Shouldn't it be called Ant-Person Training School?
Well, technically yes, but in the superhero business, it's always been known as AMTS.
APTS doesn't make sense. It sounds like a nasty disease.
Like, oh no, I have APTS.
Alright, settle down everyone. Tomorrow is the big day, and I know you may be a little nervous about the final practical exam.
A little nervous? That's an understatement.
You'll be fine, Susie. If you follow my instructions, you will conquer the wall.
And if we don't?
Well, then you fail the course.
But I can't fail. I want to get into superhero flying school.
One step at a time, Jackson, one step at a time. Now, if you use this correctly, none of you will fall or fail.
What is it?
This, Sky, is the secret to Ant-Person success. This amazing little biomagnet is how we do what we do. It will hold fast to any building.
Concrete?
Yes, Billy, concrete.
Glass?
Yes, Susie.
Brickwork?
Correct, Zane.
Steel girders?
Absolutely, Bianca.
So we can climb steel bridges?
Affirmative, Jackson.
So we can climb the tallest building in the world?
Once I've shown you how to operate the biomagnet, yes indeed.
Cool. Very cool. Super cool.
Indeed. Ooh, is everyone ready to face the wall tomorrow?
The wall will be easy compared to flying school.
If you make it to flying school. The wall has dashed many a dream, Jackson.
Many have tried and many have failed. You're making too big a deal of it. It's just a wall, that's all. A very, very high wall.
The biomagnets will keep us safe. We won't fail or fall if we use them as instructed.
And we'll all graduate from Person School. Well, what if the battery dies? What battery? The one in the biomagnet. It's a magnet, Susie. It doesn't need battery. Oh, good. That's one less thing to worry about. I'm so excited I won't be able to sleep tonight.
We're going to need all the sleep we can get, Jackson. Yeah, we need to be fit and clear-headed to tackle the war tomorrow.
Well, here we are, the day of reckoning. Today, you either qualify as an person, or you fail the course and you can go home. Right, who's first up the wall?
Okay, I'll go first. Keep going, Jackson.
Slow down, don't climb too quickly.
Take your time, it's not a race. Hang in there, Jackson. Keep going, you're almost there.
Yes, slowly. I said slowly. Right, who's next up the wall?
I'll go next.
Okay, Bianca. Grab 2 biomagnets from the pile at the bottom of the wall. Then you can climb. Who's next after Bianca? Alright, Zane, you can climb while Bianca descends.
I'll go next.
Okay, Sky. Who's next?
Me next.
Okay, Billy. Wait till Sky descends, then off you go. Lucky loss, Susie. Good luck. Come on, Susie, pick up the pace.
Yeah, imagine you're chasing Andy to man.
I'm stuck. I can't go any further.
Don't look down.
One hand at a time. Keep going. You're almost there. Keep going, Susie.
One magnet at a time.
Grab and release. Grab and release.
Yes, Susie! Congratulations, class. You've passed the course. You will be presented with your diplomas and person costumes after dinner this evening. You will then be eligible for Spider Person School.
But when do we get to do superhero flying course?
All in good time, Jackson, all in good time. After you've completed Spider Person School, then you will be eligible for flying school. Now, as promised, we have a special meal for you all tonight. And food!
Yeah!